Alright, here we are. I know it's been a little while, but I had something I want to share. I bought this set of coins about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So I've just been waiting for the USPS delivery, and I thought I'd do an unboxing, a legitimate unboxing video. I'm pretty excited to see what we got, and I'll let us find out here. This will not be a very long video. This was a purchase I made from Monument Metals, and spot was probably similar to where we are now. Could have been a little bit higher. As I'm sure you're aware, there's been some crazy volatility in the markets around the world the last week or so, stemming from China and the coronavirus outbreak. And gold and silver did well at first. They were holding steady. Gold was going up while the other markets were going down. But whatever happened about 2 days ago, I think, on Wednesday, Thursday, the metals markets just went down, and they were hammered today. I think silver was down around 6% today alone. Pretty crazy indeed. But what do we get? That's the big question. Try to get it on camera as best I can. Where's it? Oh, there it is. Let's see. Crazy market action, that's all I can say. You know what? If gold and silver go down, really that's just another buying opportunity. We'll see what happens, right? Get that aside. Alright, what did he get? I'll give you a hint. I got some gold and some silver. And the silver was my favorite type of silver here in America. And I had some tax return money. My hand must have got dirty from the box. But yeah, I got a stack of 20 American Silver Eagles. Maybe we'll take a quick peek. Alright, yep. Got those bad boys. Very nice. Very nice indeed. But what was the big item? I've only started buying gold more recently, and I did not have one of these. That's interesting. Oh, I forgot I ordered 21. I was going to say, it looks like they threw in an extra coin. I would have been happy, but I actually ordered 21 Silver Eagles. That's right. Anyways, oh boy, not the one I wanted. That's alright. Anyways, it's a gold sovereign. And it was supposed to be a surprise because it was the random year. Let's take it out and have a look. They taped it up good. That's a good idea. You don't want to lose that in transit. But it's out now. Yeah, as I said, it was a random year sovereign. They had a pretty decent price. You know, gold coins like this, even though it's fractional, they're pretty close to spot. And I paid $3.85. I know the market came down, something I was trading at. But this was a newer one. And it almost looks proof-like. I'm not an expert on sovereigns. This is actually a 2018, so fairly new. I'll be honest, I was hoping to get the young Het Elizabeth, or even an older one from the 50s, 40s, 30s, 20s. I would have taken anything. I was hoping to get some vintage gold, but I guess when you're a cheapskate going for the random year, you just gotta take what you get. But it's not too bad, really. Some people would probably prefer this one. I think it'll work out. But there it is, 2018 gold sovereign. And that was really what I wanted to show off. find out what we had. Boy, they really did put sort of a mirror-like finish. And of course the Sovereign, it's a great coin. Beauty, beauty. But the new one does not have any history like those coins of yore. And it's got not the greatest design of the Queenie. Sorry for the shoddy camera work. But there you have it. Added some gold, added some silver, and with the big price drop in the markets today, I'll be looking around seeing if there's any more deals for sure, and we'll see what happens. I don't think this volatility is going to leave us anytime soon, so we'll see. All eyes will be on the Fed. I'm going to be going on vacation the next couple of days, so I'll be having a good time, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Take care.